Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize create event apps with Tilda and Zapier, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Tilda account. Navigate to the page where you want to create the event app. Click on the edit button for that page. Next, choose the block option from the sidebar. Select the block type that corresponds with event creation. Now, customize the block to suit your event details. Once you finish designing your event block, save your changes. Open a new tab in your browser and log in to your Zapier account. Click on the Make a Zap button to start creating a new automation. Choose Tilda as your trigger app. Select the specific event that will serve as the trigger. Connect your Tilda account by following the on-screen prompts. Complete the connection by authorizing access to your Tilda account. Once connected, set up the parameters for the event trigger. Test the trigger to ensure it pulls your event data correctly. After successful testing, click Continue to move to the next step. Now, choose the action app that you want your trigger to interact with. For example, you can choose Google Calendar to add events. Select the action you want to perform, like Create Detailed Event. Connect your chosen app by following the authorization process. Fill in the required fields with data from your Tilda event. Double-check the information to ensure accuracy. Test the action to confirm it works as intended. If everything looks good, finalize your Zap by naming it. Turn on your Zap to start the automation process. Return to your Tilda page to ensure the event block displays correctly. Now you can monitor your Zapier dashboard for activity. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized and created an event app with Tilda and Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.